Today I found out what the weird whispering noise is upstairs. My fiancée pretty much always has her headphones in, loves music. She has music quite loud, so she will text me to say she's got headphones in so that I don't accidentally scare her by creeping behind her, etc. If I'm going upstairs, I'll call or text her to avoid giving her a heart attack. We've learnt from experience. Sometimes, though, I hear an odd whispering. It's like someone is yelling, but whispering, yelling. Aggressive whispering, I guess you could call it. I did the unthinkable and silently crept upstairs to see what she was doing, what the noise was. I found her arm in arm with the cat, holding her outstretched, singing to her. Whispering, singing to our cat. I've never seen something so perfect in my life. I feel like I fell in love with her all over again. I love my little family.